Hi coders, welcome back to beginner. So in this video I am going to explain linked list. Okay, so let's understand first how a linked list looks like. So coders, linked list looks like this. Okay, so now I'm going to explain everything what this boxes are and what is this edge, what these arrows are, so that you can make the definition of linked list by own. Okay, so let's understand what these boxes are. Now these boxes are called node. Okay, so these boxes are called node, and each node having two parts. Okay, each node having two parts. The first one is data and the second one is pointer. Okay, as you can see, now you guys know that these are the node and each node having two parts. Okay, the first one is data. Now in data you can store any type of data like integer, float, character, any type of data by your own choice. Okay, so now let's see what is this pointer. Okay, now pointer. What is pointer here? A pointer is used to store the address of another variable, right? As we already read about this in C language, that pointer is used to store the address of another variable. But in linked list, we do not have variables, right? We have nodes. So this pointer will store the address of the next node. Okay, whatever the address of the next node is, that is going to be here. Okay, now for example, see here, this is our node 1 and this is our node 2. Now the node 1 store the address of the node 2. Okay, so when the this node store the address of the another node, now they will get connected together through this arrow. Okay, so these two nodes are connected with each other. Okay, when we create another third node now, then the address of the third node will go here in the second node and they will also get connected with each other, and so on. This process is going until we are not giving any node till the end. For example, here I am giving only 3 nodes, so my last node pointer would be null because there is no more node after that. So remember this thing, that the last node pointer is always null, right? So see here, this is our node 1, node 2, node 3, right? Node 1 store the address of the node 2, node 2 store the address of the node 3. Okay, so where is node 1 address is stored, right? So the answer is node 1 address is stored here in the head. Okay, we are having another pointer which is head, that store the address of the first pointer. So 100, which is the address of the first node, will go here in the head, right? So this is how a linked list is formed. Okay, now you can make the definition of linked list by your own, that linked list is the collection of nodes and each node is connected with each other through the address or through its memory address. Okay, and the last node in linked list is always null, and the head node in the linked list store the address of the first node. So this is how you can make the definition of linked list by your own. if in exam it will come write down the linked list, what is a linked list, then you can explain the linked list in this way. Okay, you can make this diagram in the exam also, but do not forget to make these arrows, because it is going to represent the connection between the nodes. Okay, otherwise you will lose the marks. So make sure that you uses arrow in this diagram to represent the linked list. So in the next video we are going to insert a nodes in our linked list. Okay, we are going to insert the values in our linked list at the beginning. Summarize this video. So here in this video we see what a linked list is through an diagram. So linked list look like this, and these boxes are called node, and each node having two parts, data and pointer. In data we can store any type of value, and pointer store the address of the next node, and the last node pointer is always null, and head pointer in linked list store the address of the first node.